But this is very amazing. Today, on the 21st of September 2022, we also got inside Hakolahdentie. 3-vägen, 1 stage A. Hopefully we'll get to the stages B and C as soon as possible, because this is the original, very rare Valmet. Very rare Valmet here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland. The only other building where we have Valmet, original Valmet from the late 50s is on Hakolahdentie, which is also filmed. But this is even better because it has a window. That one doesn't have it, but this has it. 5 floors here. The server is V143. It will be expected in the next year, 2023. 60 years old in 2019, and definitely deserves 3 rides and a view of the flood indicator after that.
Yeah.
Now this is also one of the very best ones in our capital.
Yeah.
Oh, but I just need to open the door. It doesn't turn off. Strange, but
Inspekteert een paar keer wijzigden met een paar zinnen. then you can do the floor again. Yeah. That's